local RC hangout man, Nate Johnson. Our fourth qualifier from Mequon, Wisconsin, driving a low C double XT, using a Tekin Speed Controller SLC batteries, Trinity Motor from Race Burner Racing. His tires are low C. His sponsors, MPH Racing Products, Race Burner Racing, Dead Last Batteries, Charlie Soenka. Second qualifier from Sussex, Wisconsin, driving a low C chassis, a Tekin Speed Controller, ballistic batteries, Team 1 motor and Dead Last motors. Tires are very round ones. Our second qualifier from the south side of Milwaukee, driving an RC10, 10T2 it looks like, Lou Purcell. And our top qualifier, driving a low C double XT from the west side of Milwaukee, I think he's from. Let's give a big round of applause. Our top qualifier, James Ortiz. He worked hard, him and Lee battled the last race for top qualifying honors, and James held on. Okay guys, remember this is not a staggered start. You guys, when you hear the tone, we go racing. Marshall's ready? This race is just as important as the stock truck A main, guys. So, put your heart into it when you marshal. Nathan, need you to marshal over here, please. Thank you. Yes. Somebody coming in? Okay.
Danny the Diesel marshalling this.
Hey, marshals, pay attention. This is just as important as your race. Drivers ready? Corner marshals ready? On the tone. Alrighty. Whoa, up and over James. We're that time in the one truck.
Settle down, dude. You got 4 minutes.
Oh, Ben shot it. Oh, man. Easy, easy, easy. Marty, take a look at that if you can, please. See if you can move the motor up.
Take your time. You got some of those Team Trinity packs in there, probably.
Push and drive. Marty, you want to run your pit and fix the motor? Can you? You got a motor run? Okay, we'll get you running, Ben. All right, whoa, James and Lee battling here over the double doubles. Side by side.
Take your time, James.
5-1, Lee up to the 2 spot. Here between the 5 and a 1. Lead over the doubles. Gives it infield with the Marshall. Safe. Putting his heart into it.
Take one for the team.
That's what we asked for. You okay?
Not this
all right. Nice and easy, James. Roll on the trigger. Here you go, Ben. Go for it. All right, thank you, Marty. All right, Ben, take it easy now. You're a couple laps down, but still, anything can happen. Good job, Charlie. You were there.
Bring your toolbox.
Alrighty, your leader right now, Dak, but here comes Lee in the 5, starting to catch up. James not too far back in the 1. Oh, the 2 sounding ill again. Oh, man. Was it the motor, Marty? Bring it over here. Easy, Ben. Stop. Stop, pick it up. Marty's going to get the wrench, I think. Yeah. Alright, see if you can't get Ben back in the race. 1:30 to go. Dak out front in the 3. Second is Lee in the 5. Third is going to be James in the 1. Race number...
Sun must be you now. Dry out the corn. Oh, here.
Race number 9, check that, 11 is up next. 1 minute, coming up on the 1 minute mark. We got for the lead. Dak in the lead, second is Lee in the 5. I don't want to make these guys move. 1 minute to go. James is starting to catch him now. 30 seconds to go. Dak trying to get the triples. Nice 2-1 for lead. Less than a straightaway here for the lead of Dak. Lead closing in. This will be the last lap. Oh, get him going. Come on. You can get another lap, James. Nice and easy. You got 7 seconds to get here. There you go. All right, we got a battle for the lead here. Going over the triples.
Go for the triples. Good job.
All right, down the straightaway go. This is going to be the closest race we've had so far all day. Oh, up and over. Get there, Marshall. Get there. Lead going to take over the lead. This is going to be it. Finish the lap you're on. And going to win it, number 5, Lucas. 5 seconds. Spot's going to go to Dak. Let's give them all a round of applause. They had a great race. Good job for the sportsman. James going to finish in 3rd. Good race. Good race, guys. Good run, Lee.
Yeah, it was a 27. I think I made it by a second.
Little Charlie. They're in Fayette. Yeah, on that door. It's not cheap down straight away. I guess she's carrying the same speed we had.
That's a good race. Good race.
The one that,
Yeah, you got on tape? All right. Boy, I'm catching up on number 3. Was I catching up to number 3? The track is a little slippery at the moment.
You did a great job. Why don't you go over by Dad and see if you can pick up your class.
Well,
third. Oh, God, that water made it slippery.
Actually, 12 years ago.
Yeah. No, I got the right tail. No. Yeah.
Second place, sportsman.
don't be so, okay, I won't be so rude.
That one doesn't work.
Ah!